Okay, so here is 9.5, number 18. It gave us a little story problem about a submarine and an iceberg, and it wants us to know here's my submarine here. Sorry, let me start over. Here's my submarine. It's gonna look like a fish. Here's my submarine. We want to know how much this guy has to lower so that we don't hit into this huge iceberg over here. So we want to know how much he needs to go down. So we're wanting to know this side length right here. This is my X. Not my iceberg actually goes here. So this is X. Okay, so what can I use? Well, let's label all our sides of our triangle first. When I'm looking at this angle, X is my opposite side. This is opposite. Across from my 90-degree angles, this is my hypotenuse. And then this guy right here is my adjacent side. So what can I use? Sine, cosine, or tangent that has opposite and adjacent in it? Well, if you're looking at SOHCAHTOA, this is sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So it's going to have to be tangent. That is the only one that has opposite and adjacent in it. So I'm going to do tangent of my angle here is 34 equals, now my opposite is X and my adjacent is 4,000. Now I can put tangent of 34 over 1 and cross multiply. Okay, so I have X times 1, which is just X, equals 4,000 times tangent, which is just 4,000 tangent 34. Okay, I can plug this guy into my calculator right here, 4,000 times tangent 34. And that gives me X equals 2,698.03. Now, that's how underneath the water, this is my water right here, that's how big my iceberg is right here. So if my submarine goes down this amount, it's going to hit the very bottom here. It's not going to go underneath it. So we want to round this up just a little bit just to make sure we go underneath it. So your answer would actually be 2,699 meters. That's what your answer would be for part A. So part A here, we have 2,699 meters. Okay, now let's look at part B. Part B says, okay, I have a little sunken ship here. There's my ship under the water, it's sunken. And the angle of depression is 19 degrees. Angle of depression means when I look out straight across and the amount I'm looking down. Here's my submarine. We're looking down at my submarine here. My angle of depression right here, this is 19 degrees. Okay, and it says the submarine is about 1,500 meters away. Now it does have a little picture of a triangle on there. I didn't find it helped me very much, so I'm drawing my own. This is my little triangle. We are wanting to find how much does my submarine have to rise to be above this sunken ship. So we want to find this X here. Again, if I'm looking at my angle, this is my opposite side, this is my adjacent side. So I am going to use tangent again. Here's tangent of 19 degrees, that's my angle, equals opposite, which is X, over adjacent, which is 1,500. I put that over 1, cross multiply. I got 1,500, tangent 19 equals X. I'm going to stick that in my calculator. Tangent 19. I get 516 meters equals X. Okay, again, that is if we hit the top of the sunken ship. That's if I hit right at this top here. Let's say that flag's on there. Right at this top, if I hit the sunken ship, I'm going to hit it if I just raise 515. So we got to raise just 1 meter more than that just to make sure. So at least 517. 517. So 517 is your answer for part B here, and you're good to go. Take a look at the. Good luck on this, you guys.